Today the focus is on a fuel injection pump model J926887, compatible with a range of case machinery, 2555, 2155, 2188, 420, MX200, MX220, CPX420. The goal is to walk through what makes a good pump, what must match, how to install it, how to test it, and what to look out for. If a replacement of this type is what you need, the link to purchase it is in the description below. Let's start with the basic question: why replace a fuel injection pump at all? In diesel engines, the injection pump is the heart of fuel delivery. It must supply fuel at precise pressure and timing to each injector. If the pump degrades, symptoms show up: uneven idling, loss of power under load, black or white smoke, hard starting, hesitation under throttle. When one of these symptoms arises and diagnostics point to the pump, replacement is often the most effective remedy. Understanding compatibility is the first critical step. This J926887 pump is specified for various case models: 2555, 2155, 2188, 420, MX200, MX220, CPX420. That means if the tractor or machine in question is one of those models, or cross-matches to them in parts charts, then this pump becomes a candidate replacement. But compatibility is more than just matching model numbers. Internal specs, connector type, drive shaft interface, pressure curves, and flow rates must align with what the engine expects. Inside a pump, precision is everything. Components like plungers, sleeves, cam ring segments, delivery valves, return lines, seals, they all must fit and tolerate tight clearances. If tolerances are loose, leakage or pressure droop can occur, undermining performance. Material quality matters too: hardened surfaces, correct metallurgy, good sealing surfaces. A poorly made pump might fail prematurely. Therefore, when choosing a pump, whether new or remanufactured, always ask for spec sheets or internal tolerances, or choose suppliers that guarantee performance. One of the crucial matching criteria is the pressure/flow curve. The pump must deliver adequate fuel volume, flow, at all expected engine speeds, and maintain stable pressure under increasing demand. If the pump underdelivers at high load, the engine starves for fuel. If it overdelivers, it can cause excessive fuel accumulation, black smoke, or fouling. So before replacing, compare the original pump's flow, for example liters/hour or cc per minute, and pressure rating, SI or bar, to what the new pump offers. Another key point is the drive coupling. The shaft that drives the pump must match exactly: spline count, length, engagement depth, sealing surfaces. Even a pump that seems identical internally might fail if the drive interface is off by a spline or two, or if the seal face isn't aligned. Always verify the mechanical interface, including mounting flange and bolt patterns. When the new pump arrives, inspect it carefully. Look for machining defects, burrs, seal integrity. Rotate the drive shaft by hand and feel for smoothness, no binding. Check inlet and outlet ports, ensure seals are seated if the pump is shipped dry, prime or pre-fill it if needed, depending on design. Some pumps require internal priming before installation, some get filled after mounting. Mounting must be precise. Use the correct gasket or o-ring, torque bolts to factory specs, align the pump's timing reference, if applicable, with the engine's cam or drive timing. Any misalignment will upset injection timing and damage performance. After mounting, connect fuel lines carefully, ensuring no kinks or stress. Install return lines, bleed points, and plug any unused ports. Next, bleeding air from the system is essential. Diesel pumps and injectors must be free of air pockets. Use the priming lever, bleed screws, or vacuum tools to draw fuel until pure liquid fuel appears with no bubbles. Let the engine crank, without starting, to push fuel through the lines and vent air. Repeat until all air is expelled. When it's time to start, watch closely. The engine should catch and run smoothly. If there's heavy white smoke or stalling, it may indicate air or timing issues. If black